Hello guys, welcome back. So as we all know that our maintenance modules are out, let's take up this maintenance challenges. So let's start with administrator certification maintenance. So for challenge 1, it is going to be the quiz. Let's directly mark up the answers. And let's check this quiz now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Now let's go to our hands-on. So for that, I'm just going to scroll down and click on launch. And now let's click on this gear icon. Let's go to our setup. So here in quick find, let's search for permission set and click on permission sets. When it is loading, let's go back and copy this label. And here, click on new. So provide the label. So API name is auto-populated. Let's copy our description as well and paste it over here. So once it is done, click on save. So now what we are going to do is we are going to enable view all fields, permissions on account object. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this in new tab, which is our object settings. And here let's click on accounts and now click on edit. So here we are gonna enable view all fields. So once if it is done, click on save. And now click on manage assignments. Click on add assignment. So here next to your name, click on checkbox followed by next. Click on assign. Yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge now. Let's click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this now. So if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. Also check out remaining maintenance module posted in our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.